Fess got stuck in the trench. Don't ask me how. Well, actually, I do know how. Abby brought him in to feed him, and she went to pull him over the trench, and he's kind of lazy, and he just jumped and flopped into the trench. So we are pulling him out. Fess, get out of there. Come on, Fess. You can go out. Yep. Oh.
Get your legs up. There you go.
Yay! Got him out. He's out and eating happily. The only thing that he has is dirt, like little clumpies of dirt, because his belly's so fat. Gus, are you hungry? We have running water! You are not gonna believe this. We have running water. Look. Focus. There you go. Look, it's actually running. You get siphoning out of that barrel. It's just siphoning out of the barrel. But no, seriously, we do have running water. Look, it's just purging the well right now. But it is running water. Goes over there and the wellhead. First taste test out of the new well. I don't know, maybe they've got a drink out of it, but that's good water. Delicious.
You should have been in here when that let loose with all the black.
I would have been doing more videos, only I lost you guys. Couldn't find you because my coats had lots of dirt in the pockets from being down in trenches, and so that you were getting all dusty, and I didn't like that because it could have ruined it. But look, right here, this is amazing. Pressure, water line in, water line out, filter, it's all connected. I'm gonna flush the shower. I'm gonna take the head off, that way you don't clog up the head. The sand and grime that's gonna be coming out is gonna clog up the head. Oh. Ooh, now that pipe. Yummy. Look at what came out of there. That is gross. You'll get to watch this one firsthand because it's a sink. So you can see what comes out. No! Don't do that. I got you guys wet. Whoa. I got you guys really wet. Sorry. Bunch of grit in there. We have a leak here in our basement. It's leaked here before, but it's leaking from the tub there, or the bottom of the tub. So I'm gonna have to fix it.
Yeah, just
You want me to turn it all
open
the
it,
way
close
on?
it, open it, close it.
Okay, I think it's pretty clean.
Get a knife.
Look at how much grit was in here. Look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Water, running water. You never realize how much you actually use water until you don't have it. And then it's like, dude, we use water a ton. Look at all of these signs. They are a full truck full of signs. I think I want the number 5. The calories are insane on that.
Or number 6.
Number 6? Ooh,
Okay,
calories are
ready.
even better on that. Nice. We're
Go
eating
Kitty
out.
Rowdy.
We're eating lunch. Oh, here comes the lady. At Burger King because we've not been eating out enough this week. We just felt we had to come and eat out again. And then we have to go to Walmart, I think. Josh needs to get a few things. $35 for 3 of us. So I bit into this cookie thinking it was gonna be like, it's a brownie cookie, you know, with yummy frosting, and thinking, you know, it's gonna be super good. I hate filled things. I really do not like filled things. They're so gross. And Sam gave it to me. It was nice of him, but it's still, I do not like filled things. Why did you give that to me?
I knew
Mom,
you would
you guys are so You guys are so bad. They did that on purpose. I know it.
didn't know you
Yeah.
were biting into that thing.
So from that disgusting experience, Mom gave me one of these to purify me. Emily ran a cone over. Emily, why did you run a cone over? Thoughts?
I didn't see them, and some stupid person left them out there.
Hey. Don't know who she's talking about. Mom has been making healthy stuff, and our supper now consists of green bean fries, and then what is it, chicken rice?
Chicken rice and bacon.
Chicken rice and bacon. So, I don't know, but it looks good.
KK's inside, and he wanted me to do some videos for you guys because me and Josh are going to make a steel target to shoot with guns. I did not know that we had a cat in here. That really looks like a little kitty's face. A cartoon one anyway. Cute funny cat. Oh, did it. I have a passenger. Voila, here it is. It's got a cable on it, and the bullet will hit it. Dong. Pretty nice.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time.